requested and I have no other videos to post, so I am doing an empty apartment tour. This is my apartment, as you mostly could see in my cleaning videos, which I am no longer doing because, you know. So, of course, we're gonna start in the front, and this is the living room area. And if you come over here, here's the porch. Nothing special. The pool is right there. You guys would expect that I would hear a lot of noise, but barely nobody is ever in the pool. And I never took advantage of it because, I don't know. Here's a better look out from my patio. That's a little storage place right here. It's a pretty decent sized porch. Right, there's the other complexes, and if you see back there, there's a lake, which is very relaxing out here. I was barely out here, honestly. But yeah, here's the pool. I've been in that pool for my 3 years of staying here, like 3 times, I kid you not. And then, sorry if it's blurry, I don't know what's wrong. But yeah, that is the porch. Anyways, this is obviously the door. And then this is a closet. Just a basic linen closet, nothing special. All dirty and stuff. Oopsie. I cleaned them as much as I could. Anyways, and this area is the dining area. If you guys remember, I think I'm gonna post some photos of how I looked before. Who knows if I can find it. Look how broken this is. Like, I don't even know how I got like that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get charged for that. Pretty good. Anyways, I'm not gonna think about it. And here is the kitchen. You see how narrow it is? This is why I hardly put my camera inside the kitchen at times, but this is how narrow it is. It's still pretty large, but if you come all the way over here, this is where the, what's that called? I'm supposed to have a washer and dryer here, but a stackable one, but I never had one. And the cabinets, that's the pantry, I should say. And, you know, a lot of people really liked my backsplash, which it is pretty cool. And I really like the countertops too. You know, it's cute, guys. Obviously, sink, little area, the built-in microwave, and then the stove, and then the fridge, you know, basic stuff. I mean, I think it's pretty cute. Actually, it's pretty big for being just an apartment, but hopefully my next apartment I have more space, because you cannot have more than like 2 or 3 people in there because it just gets really cluttered. Yeah, that's long. Anyways, this is the hallway. So this apartment is 2 bedroom, 2 bath, and this is gonna be a little bit dark because I have no light in here, because that's how natural the lights are right now, because there's no lamp. But this is the guest bedroom, it's supposed to be, but it really was my makeup area was right here. And then my ex-boyfriend's studio was over here. Look how dirty the walls are. Hopefully I don't get charged for that. And then it had a closet, which it was a decent sized closet. It fit a lot of stuff in here. I don't know if you guys seen my decluttering this closet. A lot of stuff came in here, that's for sure. And now we are going to the guest bathroom, and it is actually a decent size. It's way bigger than my master bedroom bathroom, but whatever. And it had like the same backsplash on, look how crusty that is. It has the same backsplash as the kitchen, just that area. It's really actually pretty cute in here. And then toilet. And then the same countertops, which is pretty cool. And then obviously mirrors and the cabinets. It's nice in here, very cute. And then this is actually a linen closet as well. This one's very narrow, nothing special. And then finally the master bedroom. And look how ridiculous this carpet is. My landlord did not replace this when I moved in. I better not get charged. The song Center. Anyways, look how bad the lighting is. I hate the yellow lighting, sucks. But here is the closet nobody's seen in any of my videos because it was always a hot mess in here, but it was a walk-in closet, pretty decent size. What is that up there? Oh, I left something here. Oh, I left this too. How dirty. And I left that too. Oh my goodness. I did not clean this very well. But yeah, this is the walk-in closet. Pretty decent. We had a dresser in here. And then over here, some messed up blinds again. I don't know what's wrong with these blinds, but they suck. And here is the bathroom with the same countertops. And then the mirrors, same backsplash. Yeah, that's really it for this apartment. I did this video because somebody requested it. And like I said, I didn't have a video planned of little goodie treats because that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I did this video instead. Just quick, easy video just to show you my apartment, my old apartment, I should say. This right here is where the AC unit thingy is. Nothing exciting in there. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the last time you ever see this apartment, so you're saying goodbye to it just like how I'm saying goodbye. Kind of a little bit sad because I've been here for 3 years. And yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, all that nice good stuff you guys been doing, very supporting. I am going to catch up eventually with everybody's videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. I should probably also state that this apartment, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, is $1,050 a month. It probably go higher once somebody else comes in, because that's how landlords work. They like to increase the rent just by a few dollars. But yeah, I think it's pretty decent size, very cute. You know, once you get it all decorated. I am gonna miss this apartment. I filled all the holes. It's very dirty because, like I said, I've been here for 3 years, and my niece was here a year prior. So I did the best I can with the whole cleaning. But yeah, this is it. This is the final farewell. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Good memories here. 3 years of my life. There's a few bumps in the road living here, but you know, hopefully you guys will see my next apartment. God willing, you know, everybody stay safe, stay healthy. Please wash your hands. And that is it. I just wanted to let you guys know that little part.